Hello, what's up, guys? Oh yeah, we are going to build a Caesar cipher in Ruby. So Caesar cipher is particularly used in cyber security. If, for example, if you tap U and the number 5, the letter who is going to pin who is going to the program is going to show you the letter U, V, W, X, Y, Z, and the one and the letter the program is going to watch to show you is the letter Z. So we are just going to build this today. Sorry for my English. I just start, so please making comments of my please make it comment about my English, and that's it. So what's first we need an array, so an array of the letter from A to Z. So we can call it array, and we can make it this like that. A, we can make it here Z dot to A. This is our array, and if we print this in the console, we will look that this is our array. For open my console, I came just here in the menu, I click terminal and new terminal, and if I put here Ruby and my program name is Caesar Cipher, so and you will see that all the alphabet, that's it. So we can clear this, and the name of first we can define the name is Caesar Cipher, and it take two parameters. The first is the string, we call it var, and the number the user are going to put, so we can call it number. So, and we define the hand. Now what we can do, we can put this array into the function. So now we have this, we can put some comment, array of the array alphabet array. After this we have the value the program is going to return, so we make it value with empty string. So now that's it. And what we want, we want the length of the var the user have put into the program. So for it we can put a comment length of the user string, and we make it the length receive var dot, that's it. So now we have the value, the alphabet, and the length. Now we want to look through the len. So for x in what in 0 dot len. If we do this, after we came here, we put in hand, and we want just to put var at the position x. This is an example, so we can call it. I just copy this, I paste it, and I just make here, for example, school, and I put the number 5 just for this. And if we recall, we look that school CHUL. So that's it. So we can put a comment and came after. So we have this. Now what we want to do, the alphabet has 25 letters, so we want to take the position of the position where the letter is equal to the position of the alphabet. So we are going to do this. Another loop for e in 0, and we are going to make array that that's it, and the and. Look at this. Now we have the length of the alphabet arrays. So now we want to compare what? We want to compare first the letter here with all the letter in the alphabet. And when we compare, if we have chosen the position, we pick this and we make our test. So I came here with this: if var dot x equals array at the position A, we put this, we make an hand here for no error. If it is done, what we can do, we can now just print the position in the alphabet. The letter is at the position this. I think this is better, so we can test it. Just make it in comment. So now you look, every letter is at one position. So we have this, so we can make another comment just for C. And what we want to do, we want to test if when we make an addition of the position and the number, if it is if it is greater than 25, we make a special test. So we test it here. If we test it here, dot receive e plus number. That's it. After I put this, if dot superior to 25, we make another hand here. If that's what we can do this with value plus receive array at the position dot 15 minus 1. I'm going to explain to you why minus 1. Well, you will see this because I'm just a beginner in English and I can't really explain this. So if we test this, we print, for example, value for every loop, and we test. I will put, for example, here 7, so that the result is bigger than 25. So I test it here. You look, I just don't know what is the problem. So wait a minute. I just I can put another else if here and we copy this, we paste it here, and we make this. We make this, yeah, and we can copy this. I think that's it, and we just make this. I think that's it, and you look, we have our algorithms, but I think the distance between O and Y, so we can just look O P Q R S T U V 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Oh, I think that's it. We have our algorithms, so that's it what we want to do, but we want to do this a better way, but this is the simplest way, I think. So for example, but now we are going to ask the user the string, please guess, no, please choose a string, and what we are going to do, we call it new var user. I just call it var, but it's not a problem. So get that champ, and we are going to do this and put the number of security, we can call it this way. So name user, and we made a get that champ, and don't forget to transform the variable into integer, so we make it just 2e, and that's it. After we make a put here, and after the security algorithm, your string is, we make it this way, and we can put the plus, and here at the place of school we can make it var user. This make me laugh, you know. And for the 7 we put num user. So I think that's it. We drop this terminal and we create another terminal, and we just recall the command, and for example I call Canada, and I put the number 7. Where is the problem? Okay, you know what, I've forgotten one thing, to return the value. Return value. and this is, I think this was the problem. So I just recall, I make again Canada 7, and you look, I just print this, or okay, I see this puts, we can put a comment or just drop this. And if I clear my console, my terminal again, I recall the name and I put Canada, and the security I put 7, and you see after the security algorithm your string is this. So this is the simplest, nowadays the security is better than this, but this is just for be look the loop, the conditionals in Ruby, the function, the return statement, and voila. and the to get the input of the user, to transform the input of the user into integer. So that's it. So thanks for watching, and please make in comments, please make a comment about my English or about the video. Is it's really important for me. So have a nice day.